What is up, guys? We're here today with Fetty Potter, Gabe Cruz, and Uzi Walker Daniel with a normal skateboard. Oh wait,
What are those?
what are those? Fetty, actually, what are these?
They are the trucks from the pivot board.
And how do you feel about the pivot board?
It really hurt my foot ankle thing.
If you see Fetty's ankle right now, it is fully swollen.
It looks like if your jelly ratios are off in a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and the jelly is like coming through the bread. Like that's what it looks like.
But anyway, so yeah, we got the pivot board trucks. We put them on a skateboard and we were like, how is this gonna work? So we're gonna find out right now.
We're gonna play skate, right?
Yeah.
Flat ground.
Yes. Hand me a normal truck real quick. So if you look at a normal truck that goes like this, there is what is called a pivot cup right here. And that is what gives the truck the ability to then turn. But if you look here, there is nothing except for air.
So they are tighter than the world's tightest truck.
They are the actual world's tightest trucks. You cannot move unless you actually tic-tac. Given that, we're gonna go play a game of skate on these. Me versus Uzi versus Fetty. Anyone else wanna play? You wanna play?
I'll play.
Yeah, hey. Let's go over there. Let's go over there. Hey. Oh no.
Dude.
Oh no.
You know, like even if the trucks are like super tight, you know you can still like turn. I was fully.
Oh!
This is going to be an experience.
Fakie is not possible.
I don't think Troy is ready. He's been out of the game for a while.
Yeah, Troy's been gone for about a month. You ready?
Yeah.
You're last. Ooh, first.
Dang.
Third.
So it is Troy, me, Fetty, Uzi.
All right, Troy.
Oh, dude, this is the weirdest feeling. Just a nollie.
I can't nollie on a regular board. You gonna win this game?
Yes.
No, he's not. He's not winning this game.
There is no room for any error.
So what we also didn't mention is that the trucks are not fully on there straight. So when you bend down, it kind of curves a little bit, but it's a curve in which it is so straight that it's not really a curve. I don't really know exactly what I'm saying. If I lose, I blame it on the trucks.
You think you're Kelly skating the board backwards?
Favorite.
I'm fully out of tricks. That's getting some letters. Probably myself. Now it's all riding on me to not mess up the back 180. As like a beginner board, this would make skateboarding so much easier if you learned on this.
You wouldn't learn how to turn.
You wouldn't learn how to turn, but you learn how to do flip tricks and land bolts. Just get
So you
skateboarding
have
made
to
simple.
adjust
No,
your
just get
balance.
skateboarding made simple. I'm like. Having some technical difficulties keeping the trucks on. Let me tell you what scares me about this video, is that we're landing a lot of easy tricks, but that means that once all the easy tricks are taken, we're gonna have to start doing harder, scarier tricks.
Yeah, and actually skate.
Yes.
Rude.
It's alright, we don't need it.
Yeah, we're good.
We've played the worst before.
Oh my gosh.
I had an oil slick.
Nailed it!
Yeah!
How did you do that? I've never seen more grace from Uzi ever in my life. Who is this man? Count it!
That counts.
Whoa.
Should I do front shove or varial flip?
Front side.
Alright, I got you. Whoa! No! Why is everyone landing everything?
I'm visualizing burials in my head.
Visualize it in real life.
Okay.
Finally!
He's just like crumbled like pound cake.
This is slowly turning out to be my favorite board ever. It's crazy how much skateboarding depends on movement. And sometimes you just have to stay still. Four.
Right here. This is the one.
Dude, that is so hard. Wow. I have no idea how you did that. Riding fakie is literally impossible. So the fact that he rode fakie, did the trick, and then rolled away fakie again, double impossible. I'm the only one that's gonna miss it. Resist.
You wrote the letter before I even tried the trick.
No!
The best feeling is when you get one shot at something and you just completely blow it. I'm a veteran in that field, you could say.
Oh yeah, you sure you are?
I actually said I was a veteran in blowing it, but then you jinxed me.
Fork. That was better than any nollie flip I've ever done in real life. The whopping 2 I've landed.
You can do nollie flips. Yeah, of course. Yeah, nollie flip.
I got tired of standing, I got tired of fighting it.
I was just like, the ground looks really good right now.
Are you okay, my photographer father?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm alright. Thank you, Gabe.
Freaking nollie tray, I just do the better trick.
Fighting to stay alive.
Oh, something in my chest. Not like internal organs, I just mean like a muscle. Something hurts, so.
Slow boy. It's your heart.
No, isn't the heart right here?
It's literally what you're holding.
Your pectoral.
Okay, we're good. The Grace. He's like a swan doing a dive into the river to get a nice albacore tuna, even though tuna are not in the rivers. All right, well, I'm gonna give it 2 tries, but if they look pathetic, it's because I'm very worried for the life of my future children. And I would prefer that a very steady, non-turnable skateboard did not fully go into my scrotum. I also just forgot which way I ride nollie.
It is bad.
Oh, okay, all right. Hey,
You need a cup.
that was scary. He never does that trick.
Who is she?
Who is she?
That's the key to nollie heels. You gotta just...
You're gonna say, boy, if you don't land this nollie heel.
That's why you landed it. If I was going up to it and it went, well, I would have landed it. Dang it. Oh! Did you just give them a letter already? You gotta hear what Fetty just said. Fetty literally just said, "This is the best worst board I've ever skated."
Wang danga.
I'm officially out. Troy's now officially out. It's now a battle of the 2 best friends since an early childhood life. Messed.
Your body like lagged. Like it looked like...
He landed on it, stood there for like 2 seconds, and then went, ooh!
Boy, if you don't do this switch flip right here. Every every time I say that, it seems to do the opposite. That hurt. I don't know how you did that on this.
Last letter, defense.
Every time they bend down, the board goes right in the middle.
Gomer Steve.
Fetty just switched up, man.
Everyone just get out of my way.
Can we just reiterate the fact that he said, everyone just get out of my way?
I mean, I didn't say that.
Yes,
feminine.
you did.
All right, I'm gonna fight everyone in here. Let me do this.
We'll give him one more. We'll give him one more. We'll give him one more.
I'm sorry, Daniel. I'm sorry. Ow!
So what had happened is that Uzi got out by his own trick that he'd been trying the entire game. Fetty, you're a dirty, dirty dog. And Fetty only had the letter S. And now we out here mall grabbing.
Daniel has left.
Lighting.
And what you also just missed is that Daniel fully tried to leave the building and could not get the door unlocked. Anyways,
That board is the devil.
Scoot in a bit. Have fun. Like you're all family.
I'm not friends with any of these guys.
all right, you guys, that was the pivot trucks on a regular skateboard, hacked, stupid skate, the craziest video ever. Uzi, what'd you think of the board?
It was great. It was very fun.
What'd you think of the game of skate?
It was the best. Probably my favorite game.
Thank you. Thank you for your participation. We appreciate you. I thought it was a really fun board. The trucks, different feeling than you'd expect, but not horrible. Like Fetty said, it was like the weirdest, worst, best board ever. Fetty, how do you think? What do you think about it?
I really liked it. It was, you're really able to pop on it for some reason. The pop is great.
And
It
Troy,
just makes the switch flip so
Yeah.
smooth.
Fetty would know.
Just makes your switch flips feel really good.
And Troy, what do you think?
The board is good. It's just the trucks don't really work so well. We had a fun game.
Yeah, we
Trucks
did.
are great.
So if you guys want to buy one of these decks, not the trucks, we do not sell these, but we do sell the decks in a lot of different sizes. You can go to brailleskateboarding.com and check that out there. But the notification squad question of this video is how many tricks were landed by everyone? So watch the video again, comment below how many tricks were landed with the hashtag notification squad, and we'll go through, pick a random winner, and we'll send you some merch. So thank you guys so much for watching. You can check out Troy on Instagram at TroyCeratops, at Fetty Potter, at GabeCrew01, and at Uzi Walker. I almost forgot your Instagram for a second. My bad. I'm just kidding. His Instagram is actually at ican'tswitchflip.com.
.org.
ican'tswitchflip.edu.
It's an informational page.
We really hope you guys had a good time watching this video. We had an amazing time filming this. This was a lot of fun, so I really hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, please like, and leave a comment below. We will see you in tomorrow's video at 10 a.m. We do videos every single day on 3 different channels. This channel, Braille Army, and Braille Gaming. So subscribe to them all. We appreciate you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.